Hello and welcome to a navigational video for hitch-pro.com. As you can see on the home page, you have to obviously log in with your username and password. There's a lot of information in this website. We have all of the information basically listed here on the home page. There's also at the bottom, there's the email for more info or pick up the phone and give us a call. As you can see, we have the search by make, so we're going to go ahead and pick a 2018, and let's go with Chevrolet for now. Let's get a category. We got passenger car, station wagon, pickup, sport utility in this case, and the cabin chassis, 41-inch wide chassis. Okay, let's go for the passenger car. Let's go for something like Camaro, and now we're going to have a list of submodels. There's several submodels, and the reason for this is that sometimes, and many times, the same hitch doesn't fit both. So we pick your exact car. In this case, we'll go for the LS Coupe 2-door. Show it's a rear-mounted hitch, that there's two of them in this case. We have the Curt 11900 and the Curt 11903. As you'll notice, the 900 is sold without the ball mount, and the 6-digit ending in 3 is sold with the ball mount. This is the correct ball mount recommended by the manufacturer to work correctly with this hitch for proper clearance at the bumper and the trailer ball and so on. As you can see, there's lots of details here. There's the capacity, there's pricing, jobber price list, the physical weight of the hitch and the approximate install time. We have the install sheet available. You click that and it's going to load the install sheet that you can save or print, whatever you feel like. The details page gives you an exploded view of the actual hitch for this exact vehicle. There again, the instructions button. The general information of this hitch as provided by the manufacturer. The weight, capacity, and so on. Down at the bottom, there's also some more valuable information if you're shipping this hitch on to someone. There is the box size and the box charge and all the other things that you might need. At this point, let's pick a different vehicle. We can go, let's say, back to 2016, and we'll pick something like, let's say, for example, let's pick the Buick, and we'll grab a sport utility. Let's say the customer has the Enclave. All important, whether it's four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. There again, not everyone is one size fits all. We'll click all-wheel drive. In this particular case, there's the trailer hitches. In this case, 4. Takes you up to a Pro Series. Note here that it says the Pro Series is no longer available in the normal market that most of us are in. Goes down to the Curt. And as you can see, these are sold without the ball mount. If you don't already know it, I'm sure you do. And then the Draw-tite. In particular, in this one, there's this little 15% sticker. That means that the actual weight carrying and tongue weight capacity is, instead of being the standard 10%, it's 15% higher. Anyway, there's the hidden hitch and Reese offering. Again, rebranded TroPower, not available in this market. Just for quick review here, there's a button at the top that says display discontinued items. This is going to bring up a few more. Some of the ones that have been discontinued by the manufacturer, like per se this hidden hitch right here, and all of the details that go with it. All the pages are similar with information, details, install sheet, and etc. Let's go back to this list on the left-hand side here. This particular vehicle has a few more optional attachments and wiring kits that you might be interested in. For example, plug-in electrical attachment. We'll bring up the Takancha. A lot of details here for each one. These footnotes, and so on, and down the line with the different manufacturers with the different offerings and different products that they have for them. One more thing I want to show you was, in particular, let's go back to the hitch for just a second. You can also take this part number, or if you know the part number you're looking for, we have a feature called Item Finder. And on the Item Finder, which is located right here under the search type, click Item Finder, type in or paste in your part number. It's going to bring up all the vehicles that this fits. Now, we found this by looking at a Buick, but in the meantime, this fits the Chevrolet, GMC, and Saturn in a lot of cases. Let's just go back to the Buick real quick. This shows you how many years this fits. This is fitting from 2008 all the way up to 2017. The footnotes we talked about earlier are under by mousing over, and it shows you those footnotes. This footnote can change as the years get newer or there's been small changes in the car. You can click this Find Similar button over here. It's going to show you that there are those same Find 5 hitches that we found before. So you have several ways to get at the information that you're looking for. This is going to be all for now. You can go back to any page for that matter. In this particular case, it has our phone number again with the email down at the bottom. I hope everything on this is pretty clear. And if you have any questions, of course, you can contact us at any time. And we'll see you later. There'll be more videos in the future with the different features that we have, and we go from there.